Are you a lover of Ukwa? Are you a lover of breadfruit? PANAPEN, that is how they call it in Spanish. PANAPEN. Are you a lover of this delicacy, of this delicious food? Stick around and I will show you how to make it. I made it the traditional way, the traditional local way, and I know you will like it. Yes, you will like it. It is very delicious and highly nutritional. If you know breadfruit, you will agree with me that it is highly nutritional. Welcome back, beautiful people. It's me, Greg Lama, GGM. Today I'm going to show you the traditional way to make breadfruit, Ukwa. If you like my channel, if you like what I'm doing, please comment on the video, share, like, and subscribe if you have not. I have picked and washed the breadfruit. Now I am going to pour it into the pot. Add salt, a little salt. Of course, I don't eat much salt, so you add salt according to your taste, and then water to the level, to cover the same level with the breadfruit. Cover the pot and cook it for like 45 minutes. Traditionally, in my place, we make the Ukwa like porridge, or we remove the water after cooking it, add the ingredients and turn it. Then we will drink the water, we'll keep the water apart and be drinking it while eating the Ukwa. But right now, I'm going to make it the porridge way. So you add onion, then add dry fish, mangala. You know, dry fish, those ones that we call asa or aja, it depends on your choice. You add dry fish, then add oil. This is the first time I'm using this oil, so I didn't know it's like a good quality oil, so I added oil. I added enough oil to it. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's not a bad thing. You can add less oil or as much oil as I just added. Now I am going to add OGIRI. In Spanish they call it miso. OGIRI, that is the traditional way to cook Ukwa. You add OGIRI, you add fish, you add every other thing. Now I'm adding chili pepper. Chili pepper, of course, according to taste. Crayfish, and then I will add a little salt. And that's it. Then mix everything together. Ukwa is not an everyday meal. No, breadfruit is a special meal. That's, you don't cook it every day because firstly it's not cheap. It's not cheap. And again, it's not like rice that you can cook and everybody will eat and come back for the second plate. Ukwa is special. It is a special food, so you have to prepare it in a special way. Our breadfruit is ready. It is ready. So normally this is the way to cook Ukwa, to prepare breadfruit. But then you can add, just like I'm doing right now, scent leaf. We call it scent leaf, that is nchuanwu, or you can add bitter leaf. It depends on how you want it, your taste. Some prefer to eat ukwa with nchuanwu, with scent leaf. Some prefer to eat it with bitter leaf, onugbu. Either way, it is still the same delicacy that you are enjoying. Thank you so much for sticking to the end of this video. If you have Ukwa, if you have breadfruit, if you have PANAPEN in Spanish, I now invite you to prepare it the way that I just did and get back to me. Let me know how it came out, okay? I will see you in my next video. But before then, please like, please comment, please subscribe to my channel if you have not, and don't forget to stay hydrated. Thank you so much. Bye.